Hello everyone! Today we would like to inform an exciting event. Rim Intelligence are organizing our first international forum, the Rim Energy Agora, in November this year. The theme for our forum is 2 days to foster links with the Japan energy market. For companies outside Japan, this is a great opportunity to connect directly with the Japanese players. For Japanese companies, it is an invaluable chance to learn about energy and leading-edge technology. We at Rim Intelligence hope to discuss together with participants various topics related to energy through keynote speeches, panel discussions, and exhibits from companies and associations. Our main topics are energy trading, future of transportation, new era for gas, future of power mix, decarbonization technology and framework, and learn about energy from exhibits. We will update the list of panelists, moderators, and exhibitors on our website. The Rim Energy Agora will be held on November 11th and 12th for 2 days at Tokyo International Forum in Tokyo. Registration fee is $400 for one person, while we also have an early bird discount at $250 before and August. Participants can use meeting rooms for business meetings and can attend cocktail parties as well. Don't miss this occasion, and please consider attending the Rim Energy Agora. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you for your watching.